Hello, and welcome back to my crypto channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a new application on the Binance Smart Chain that's creating a lot of buzz in the market. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our updates. Let's get started. I just aped into Binance Wealth Matrix, a brand new platform on the Binance Smart Chain that is paying 3% per day in Climb tokens. As you probably know, I have built my first maxed out Drip wallet, and now I want to diversify my crypto investments, and this is one of the dApps that I found attractive to invest in. Just like SolaRoad, it has a burn and mint function, which drives the Climb token price up. It's simple to get started. You connect your wallet, approve the token that you want to deposit, and when done, you put in BUSD or USDT tokens to earn Climb. The Climb token was $1 at start. Now, 5 days since launch, it's already $1.35. Is this the next SolaRoad? I don't know. This thing can last only a few days or weeks, nobody knows. SolaRoad started at $20, and now it's at $1,300. It's been a fantastic investment for many people who got in from the start. However, Binance Wealth Matrix is different from SolaRoad. It won't reach astronomical prices of thousands of dollars, but the price consistently goes up, and this could be the next big thing. You can compound your earnings as many times as you want every day, but remember to make a decision every 12 hours. Either reinvest or withdraw your Climb tokens, and don't miss the countdown timer. If you're interested in joining Binance Wealth Matrix, you'll find the link in the description below. They also have a referral program where you can earn additional rewards by inviting others to join. Just be transparent and share your own experiences without making unrealistic promises. To sum it up, Binance Wealth Matrix offers an intriguing investment opportunity with the potential for significant returns. But remember to do your own research. I'm doing this purely for entertainment purposes. So, have fun, stay informed, and make your decisions wisely. Crypto is extremely volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. There have been too many rug pulls lately. We'll see how this works out. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, stay tuned for more updates. Have a great day.